Metro 2343. Associate to Walmart for customer assistance.
There's mine.
Yeah, you're doing good. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so if you just watched my unboxing video previous to this one, I'm obviously doing these two videos back to back, so I thought I would just get it over and done with for the week. Anyway, yeah, so this one I went to a World Market. And once again, not sponsored, but yeah, the World Market is amazing. I mean, they have so many goodies that you can try, so many different candies, even savory foods. I mean, mostly everything is, well, everything is shelf stable. They don't have any like fresh or refrigerated frozen food, so everything is just, you know, pantry really. And they have wine and beer selection, everything. It's mostly I don't want to say foreign, just of the world, and it's fun to taste everything that is available, and that's not you know, just American made. Or as for chocolate, it's not Hershey's, you know, there's other chocolate out there that's so much better. And so yeah, so I would just, yeah, if you have a World Market in your area and have never been, please go. It's amazing. It's really good for gifts, and for home decor. Kitchen stuff is really nice. They have a lot of nice plates and cups. Their mug selection, if you like coffee mugs like as much as I do, you could get in trouble there. Yeah, so they have a lot of tea, coffee stuff, even clothing. Their wall art is super nice. It's a little expensive because I thrift most of my wall art, well, except for this poster. But yeah, anyway, I could just ramble on about how amazing it is, but let's get into my haul. It's a small one. I thought I'd start small and then we can go from there. So I just picked up some just really random candies, mostly chocolate, well, yeah, and then a bag of chips. So yeah, let's start with somebody else got into this before I did. You know who you are. Anyway, so this one is, here we go, Violet Crumble, and it is from, where was it? Australia. It's Australian. So I've never had this before. But yeah, so it's already been eaten. So this is what's inside. It's kind of like a hard nougat. It smells really good. I don't know. It sticks to my teeth and I don't like that. I mean, it has a nice flavor and it's kind of It is a hard nougat. It's crunchy. But the chocolate's really good. I just don't like how it sticks in my teeth. But it's pretty good. I mean, I would probably keep eating it though. To be honest. Yeah, so anyway. This one. Oh. Anyway, and next, let's try this one. I've been told this is really good. Walnut whip. And this is from the UK. Yeah. How much I love British candy. Most of it is, to be honest. So here we go. Oh, it's cute. I don't want to make a mess. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. A little walnut on top. I don't know how I'm going to eat this without making a mess. Nice fresh walnut. Let's see. Maybe I should have gotten a knife, but don't want to. And like a marshmallow cream inside. That's really good. See, I'm not a pretty eater, so I'm not gonna, I'll eat this whole thing after. But that's really nice. Yeah, I like that. If I'm gonna rate I think the Violet Crumble I would give maybe a 5. But the Walnut Whip I'd probably give, I don't know, 7, 8. 8, yeah. Alright. What's next? Mirage. And this is Real Bubbly Milk Chocolate Mousse. Where is this from? I don't know. There's French on it, so I'm not sure if it's covering up. Switzerland? I'm not sure. But then it says Nestle Canada, so I don't know. If you know, tell me, because I don't know how to read the label apparently. Okay, let's give her a try. It smells really nice. It's like a chocolate bar. No, that's really good. I mean, the chocolate's okay. It's not terribly milk chocolatey, but the mousse, I think there's a mousse layer here, and that's really nice. Yeah, that one, I don't know, I'll give it a 7. Maybe 6 or 7. And along those lines, I do have Aero, which I know is from the UK. I like the mint one, but I thought I'd just show this one. If you've never had it, it's really good. I think the Hershey's chocolate bar had a like a bubble chocolate bar like this at one point, but it's not around anymore. I thought they did anyway. I don't know. But these are good, I know that. And I know they come out like that. See the little air bubbles? If it'll focus. Yeah, that's a better tasting chocolate than the Mirage. I would give this an 8. It was really good. Very good. Okay, we'll stay on the chocolate trend for now. And we're gonna try Lion. I've never tried this one, so I'm curious. I wanna say where is this from? I want to say this is from the UK too. Yeah, from York. Okay, sorry, my camera battery died. So we left off with the Mirage, and then I did try this, but I didn't know my camera died. Anyway, so Lion, and this is from the UK as well. It's a Nestle product. Did I get all Nestle products? Pretty much. Well, that's not bad. Anyway, so Lion is really good actually. It's well, I already tried it. So it's like crispy with yeah, so it's, oops, sorry, too close. You see the caramel in there? And the little, oh, what is the word? Just the crispy bits. And it's really, really good. And the chocolate is okay. But I would eat this. It's like a different version of Snickers. Yeah, no, I'm really impressed. Never had it, so pretty good. Alright, what do we have? These are my favorite. The Happy Hippos. And if you had these before, you know how good they are. And if you haven't, you're missing out. So you should go to World Market and get some. Anyway, these are milk and hazelnut little biscuits. And this could seriously just eat the entire box in one sitting, but that would make me sick, so best not. And they come in these little wrappers. Alright. They're so cute, but messy. Oop. Oop. Little hippo. I usually bite his nose off first. Yeah. It's not fair that I've had them before, I guess, but they're a 10 for me. Yeah. I mean, if you don't like hazelnut, probably not going to be for you, but it's just like a lighter hazelnut flavor than Nutella. Alright. And these look pretty cool. And they are Marcolados wafer roll with espresso cream covered with crumb biscuit. Yeah. And these are from, where was it? No, they're Greek. Let's try. They're really big. They smell like coffee. Oh, and they're gonna be messy too. Great. They're interesting. Like they have a coffee flavor, but it's like real coffee, you know? Not like Folgers or anything, just like, it's hard to explain. But they're really, really good. The biscuit's really good. The cream is really good. It's just not so much chocolate. It's just a lot of coffee. Man, now I want coffee. But then I would never go to bed, so yeah, no, these are really good. I couldn't eat all of them in one sitting, so that's good. Because I probably shouldn't. Alright. One more sweet and then we'll do the chips. These are really good. I've had these before. The fruit pastilles. How do you say? Pastils? Fruit pastils? From the UK. And it's been a while since I've had them. Because I could never find them till recently at World Market. So I'd always ask them to be sent to me from my friends in the UK. So yeah, so it's just like a sweet tart almost. And it's so much better. They're like real fruity, but not like an artificial flavor of fruit. Even though they're probably, no. Well, they're concentrated fruit juices, not artificial flavors, so that's really good. Oh, it's so nice. It's not overly sweet too, which I like because I can't eat a whole lot of sweet anymore. I'm not 15. Alright. These take a long time to chew. Okay, and I picked up a bag of chips from the UK, of course. John John Potato Crisps, and they are cheddar and chive. I picked up a cider kind, which I've almost eaten the entire bag. They were kind of plain tasting. I thought they'd be more like salt and vinegar, but still a really good chip. So hopefully this one like packs a cheddar punch. They smell nice. I could eat this entire bag. That's really good. They're better than the Lay's. Because it's like a nice real cheese flavor. Oh yeah. I'll give these a 9. Oh, I didn't rate the other ones. Did I? Oh, the pastels I'm gonna give an 8. The hippo's obviously a 10. I said that already, but all the other ones are like in the 6-7 range, I think. To be fair. Oh, and the coffee ones, I don't know, 7? Yeah. Anyway. Yay. Okay. So that was actually all I had. That wasn't very many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. There was going to be 10, but somebody got to the bag of snacks before I made this video, so what are you going to do? Okay, well thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kind of videos, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe, you know, be cool. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I don't know what's next, so we'll see you next week.